Hi, I'm doing Peay, and I'm a fifth-year PhD student in Dr. Cheryl Conrad's lab. Our lab focuses on how stress impacts the brain, and my particular focus is on how stress impacts males and females differently. So overall, the stress response is crucial for survival, but when things go awry with the stress response, that can be problematic for everyday life, and we use the chronic stress to model things such as depression and PTSD. What really got me interested into behavioral neuroscience was the opportunity to really understand the interactions between the brain and behavior. So there's a lot of experiences where you only get one aspect, where you only get to observe behavior or you only get to perform experiments in a lab setting. Whereas in behavioral neuroscience, we really get to observe both an animal behaving and then correlate that with what we see in the brain. When I saw the recent events in the world, it really made me kind of refocus and think about what was important to me. And that really is I really would like to help just students in general. And I know that thinking about the next opportunity can be very difficult, as it was for me. And I would just like for students to understand that there are a lot of opportunities there for them, including graduate school, no matter their position in life. So me personally, I came from an economically disadvantaged background, and I didn't think at one time that graduate school would be possible for me. And I was able, through many mentors, was able to learn that it was a possibility for me to go to graduate school. And I just would like for other students to be able to understand that that same possibility is there for them. So in our lab, we have anywhere from 8 to 10 undergraduate volunteers, and they play a crucial part in every one of our experiments. And I help to train them through behavioral processes, through surgical procedures, and they're able to eventually get on publications with our lab, and many of them go on to graduate school. For my next steps, I would definitely like to seek out a postdoctoral opportunity that will help me to expand my skill set and really make sure that the research that I'm doing maintains a translational value. So one piece of advice for any undergraduate student looking for grad school is definitely to communicate with your professors, communicate with your TAs, and they really will help guide you to find those opportunities that are out there for you.